So in today's video, I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to make tissue paper flowers. And then at the end, I will show you a quick little project that you can make with the tissue paper after the party. So we have been celebrating back to back birthdays. And I made these tissue paper flowers for one of the parties that I did. So I thought I would share it with you. So for this flower, you'll need 9 sheets of paper. And they're about 9 inches by 20 inches. And it will make this size flower. And my camera cut off when I was making this one, so I'll show you how to make a smaller version. It's exactly the same way. And I also made this one in a really pretty green color. So you're gonna need, of course, tissue paper. So about 4 inches by 8 inches. I found that this size works really well. You'll need at least 5 sheets. And I like to mix the dark shades with the lighter shades and mix colors into the flower. These are just old pieces of tissue paper that I had from the last birthday party, which was a couple of days ago. So you'll just start on the small end and just fold it, you know, about 1 inch, and then just go back and forth. And forth until you get to the end. Okay, and then you'll take your string or whatever you want to use to tie it with. Tie it right in the middle. Okay, and now you'll need your scissors. So you'll just take your paper and on the ends, just kind of curve it around. Like that. We'll do the other end. So this is what we have now. And then you'll open it up. Looks like that. And just start separating your tissue paper. And I actually found that it works best to separate the first pull by taking a couple from each side so that it doesn't tear, because it will tear very easily. That way you can kind of pull tight and then start separating them. And you can see the different colors that I used. And then go to the other side. And they're super easy to make. They just take a little bit of time separating all these without tearing them. And then you can hang it by the little string that we put on there. Or if you want to stand them up, you could always use like a wooden stick. Stick in the bottom of it. You can just take some wire and then just wrap your wire through your flower and then down your stick. And then you can stick it into containers. And if you have the green floral tape, you could also wrap that around the bottom. That would be cute. Or you could add extra green curly ribbon and have curly ribbon coming down for the green like leaves. So I made a couple of different colors. There's like a purple one. See how the different shades just give it some dimension? I like that. There's purple. I did a pink one. Here's my yellow one I just made, and a blue one. I twisted these up with wire so that I could add the wooden stick to it. Give it an extra little twist there, and I have my little flower. So I think this project would be fun at any age, but I think it'd be really fun to do with kids because it is super easy, and then they could display this in their rooms. So after the party, don't throw your flowers away. Just reuse your tissue paper. So first we're just gonna tear the tissue paper into tiny little pieces. Okay, so we're just gonna take some Mod Podge, just a little bit. Then we're gonna take some water. Drop a little bit of that in there. And we're going to take about this much of the tissue paper, drop it in, and then mix. And then we're going to scoop it up and add it to our canvas. I'm going to smush it down and shape it the way you want it to look. And that way, pressing it down attaches it to the canvas. Then you can also shape it as you're doing that. Okay, then after this dries, you just pick your paint colors and paint away, and then you're done. I think there's so many things and possibilities you could do with this tissue paper technique to do like a big canvas. I think this would be a super fun project to do with kids. And just pull out all your paints and let them paint them all different colors and have 3D flowers. Okay, so if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, and give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.